أول كانت زيارتي لهذه المدينة حوالي 20 أو 25 سنة الماضية. المحطة شنجن تعطي رمز كبيرة لنقطة انفتاح. وهناك فندق Shangri-La. That's the Shangri-La Hotel. It's the first hotel when I visited China in 1992. I've been staying in this hotel, and there's no any building except the old building of the train station. So all the place that I'm staying now is has been constructed maybe in the end of 90. So China has developed, become a big country, and you can see that we make a film without any permission, without anything, and nobody just coming to us. You cannot frame, you cannot do that. So it's quite a free country, and I enjoy the life. And I think most of the foreigners, when they come here, when they stay in the city, they enjoy the life here too. So let's go, come on, boy. Hi, gentlemen. Would you like to listen to me for a while? It's my pleasure to see you. I'm now in one of the showrooms for the raw materials, new materials products. In the past, a lot of material they cannot use, especially in bathroom, on the wall, on the glasses. Now, you can use a simple printer, professional printer, to bring your idea or your design into your home, your house. With a simple one, you can see it on the ground, on the floor. Any picture, you can make your home more diversity in the design, in the material. So easily make it like a wall, like a glass. Of course, this is typical Chinese because what we have in the showroom is still focused on Chinese. But I promise in the coming future, I'm trying to give you more selection of the samples you can see. Let us talk about this one. This is acrylic, can be acrylic. You just make it out with your own design. It could be your family members, pictures, gathering. You make a picture and put it inside the bathroom and you can enjoy it. But it depends on you, how you're going to do it. Any kind of idea, just bring your idea and your design into the reality worlds. That is our mission today, to have this introduction. For example, this one, if you make it on the home, in part of that, it can show you with the lighting on that one. You can see you always live in an ocean, inside the ocean. Or could be some picture when you visit some jungle in Africa, you have some animal, you can do it easily. And by the way, it's not costly because a machine of $30,000 US, you can make it 100,000 of that, and the cost is quite cheap. So this is what I'm trying to introduce to you. And you can go ahead to show them some samples, some ideas. So that's this part, I will focus on introducing products and how to use it. Next version, we're going to talk about machines and maintenance and other things. So take your time to have more look. In case you have any question, please kindly to contact me. It's easy. Thank you. مجموعة من الشهادات التي تثبت براءة في التصميم وأيضا جودة للبضائع للإنتاج الطابعات، ناس متخصصين في تصاميم شكل خارجي، كذلك الوظائف. ويمكن تراها على الدقيق هنا مجموعة من Hi gentlemen, this is the presentation room. We have this room, as you see that there's a lot of chairs and comfortable seat. We have a projector and we have screen showing that our company is trying to say that training and maybe exchange design, a creative idea, or some visitors coming. So this is part of our exchange with different people, and to increase the experiences, to exchange point of view with foreigners, with foreign buyers, with even what they call the technical team in different fields. That's all. Thank you. This is part of our company. Hello again. Now we are in front of the machine. But I myself, when I'm speaking alone, is a little bit boring. And I got a beautiful young lady who's going to share me. Hi, come on.
Hi.
Say hello to them.
Hello.
Maybe you don't know who's them, but we are now facing other people's. This is the machine, and we need the person, specialist, to give us, operator, to give us an idea how to use it. Okay, you can go ahead. First, you need to switch on the machine. And then this is also start. You mean switch that and you need start. Okay, then.
It started working now?
Now they need to open some switch for the machine. You can see it is different colors. From the back, you want to switch on from different side. You see one is from the left, the other is from the right, and it starts to work. And
it looks.
It's not easy when when it's moving, and you need to adjust it. Yeah.
A little complicated.
So they want to open the gauge for the ink.
Yes.
Now it's ready, and we're going to see next step how it's going to operate. Okay. After that, they have before starting working for printing, they need to clean it to give a small press to release the old ink which inside the head. See? Then it's cleaning different color. See?
It's a test.
Yes, it's mentioned it's 4, and with the white, it's 5 color. So you clean it, then it's almost ready. And now we have pictures inside the computer. It doesn't matter what kind of software, pictures. Of course, the more nice is the high resolution pictures. But since the space is not so big, we make a small one. So now it starts to move, controlling by the computer. It's moving. And of course, this machine they call G4. They're using Ricoh head, printer head, which means it's much better for industrial purpose. It start to move. It start to getting.
It's ready to paint.
Yes.
Print.
Yes. And they call this one is soft printing machine on soft surface, which not the fabric, but like plastic, like small things. Okay, this is soft.
This one.
This is soft. TPU. Yeah. Soft material. The ink.
So you can print the picture on this.
Yes.
Amazing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So he start to measure the size exactly. Then he was going to keep this data into the software.
Yeah.
How the working space can be. See that, and any person who would like to operate this machine should have complete information about how to make Corel and Photoshop. It's not just easily moving, but you need the person to have design, basic information and idea. Because if he don't know that, you cannot operate this machine. It means you don't just have a big muscle, then you can drive a car. You need a technique how to let the car move in a polite way to say hello. Is that correct?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I know.
So we are waiting until he's finishing. For example, this is a picture coming in a short way, and we make the size measurement of the size and how to make it how to take the image or how to change it. Of course, this could be a handsome guy in the future.
Of course. The doctor said my baby will grow 1.88 meters.
It could be, because now every vitamin and every nutrition is quite enough.
Yeah.
Now, before we make the printing, we know the size of the target space that we're going to print it. And before that one, we should make what I call a scope of the size to leave the things on that. And then now we can start to use the material we're going to print on that space exactly. So it's not going to move, to change the location. Precisely, it will print on this space. Now we need to fix the length, the height of the space, and that one is taking the focus to focus on the exact image. Otherwise, if it's too high or too low, when too low, it's damage the printing head, and it's too high, it will not give you the exact printing image. The space is 2 millimeters between the material you're going to print and the printing machine's head. So it's only 2 millimeters. You have to exactly, precisely control by computer. Now it start working now. You can see the picture is coming from on that material. Now he's going to make something. You can see from this picture, it's the real picture without taking the background to clean it. But now the person we're going to remove using Photoshop's technique to remove the background. So we are going to print the other one is a better image for the main role of the person.
So it's already down now? Yeah. Really? Yeah. Can I pick it up?
Oh, wow. You can you show to the camera that how?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's my baby. It's my baby's picture.
We just took a picture a few minutes ago, and we would like to have this picture printing on a solid surface. So instead of we are printing one, we are now coming to see it's printing two in one time. And it can be used as the whole space which is contain 6 or 7 pieces at one time. Any picture, whether it's big or it's small, we can make it easily. Now you can see it's moving, and the machine is automatically, because the picture has been solved in a Photoshop, and you can easily print on the materials that which you like it. الآن تحت إنجاز وطباعة، وهذه صورتين تم طباعتها قبل هذا الطباعة قبل لحظات قليلة، فترى ما فرق بين الصورة الحقيقية وأيضا صورة تحت الإنجاز. After we have this printing on the surface, we make a coating which is transparent, and we need to put into this heating equipment to make it dry. It lasts for about 20 minutes, and after that you can keep easily even the surface. When something scratch, it will not leave any damage for the picture. So any sample, any small one, you need to have some procedure. And we are now in the what I call it, the sample processing rooms. We have one which is G5, and that one which is G4. They have some different because this type and this machine, they use for soft material. What it means soft material, you can see it easily. There's some paper or some plastic, some artificial leather, and you make it that, and they can clean. And which is coming from the computer, design, Photoshop, and later on, I'm going to show you to open the cage to see what's the color inside later on. الصورة التي تم طباعتها على شكل البلاط أو على شكل رخام مادة مواد بناء، يتم طباعتها ثم يضع عليهم طبقة عازلة شفاف لكي تحتفظ بها، وثم يضع داخل الفرن. It's very hot, and the person is taking out. It's very hot, 120 سلسيوس ديجري، 120 درجة حرارة بعد التجفيف، ويمكن تحتفظ في أي مكان وتستغرق لمدى سنين. Okay, now we have ladies from the company, Sarah?
Yes.
Okay, she's going to explain to me because as you see the big space, all the machine, the size is quite little bigger than what we see upstairs, and the design is different. Okay, go ahead, Sarah.
Okay, this is a large format UV flatbed printer. It's very large printing size, and it chooses recoating file print head. It's mostly applied to the flat materials.
Okay, how big is the size?
This is 3 meter by 2 meter.
Okay, this is a big size with a 3 meter by 2 meter. The surface, you can print a big space of advertised board or something like that. And it uses Ricoh print head. هذه طبعا ماكينة تشتغل على مساحة المطبوع طبع ل 3 متر إلى 2 متر، 3 في 2، وتشتغل على أشياء مسطحة على حجم كبير. لننتقل إلى هناك مواد it's almost the same thing, but the design is different according to different application, and also in the meantime it's according to clients require. anything you have, you need to print anything, just contact us. We're going to give you the suitable size machines which can have better performance. أي آلة حسب طلبكم أنتم يمكن تتغير شكلها حسب المعطيات، حسب طلبكم للموضوع. فدائما هناك أشياء فقط تقولون ماذا طلبك، المساحات والمادة اللي تريد طباعتها، سوف نعطيكم أشياء قد يكون مناسب لكم أنتم. وهنا ننتقل إلى ماكينة آخر.
Okay, this is a hybrid printer. It has two functions. One is printer on flat material, another is printer on roll-to-roll material, flexible material. So it has two functions, and it's 5 meter printing wide. 5 米.
هذا طبعا آلة ممكن تشتغل على مادة على شكل رولات ملفوف لفة، من جهة تطبع من جهة تسحب وتحتفظ على شكل رولة بدون ما تكون مبعثرة. حسب أيضا is this one it's according to client's order, or you make just a semi product? هذا طبعا حسب طلب الزبون، بمعنى الزبون قد عمل طلبين للموضوع وهم يبدأ التصنيع، بمعنى لم يكن هناك نفس المقاس، لكن الآن حسب طلب الزبون عامل طابع حسب زبونهم.
This machine is mostly applied to the advertising industry, printing on the banner and the paper and the sticker, the raw flexible materials.
Okay, this is it's more suitable for advertising industry, which require high resolution and flexible performance in a row. هذه الماكينة تشتغل أكثر شيء على مجال الدعايات رولات كبيرة، مساحات كبيرة. لننتقل إلى المكان آخر. الرأس اللي تستعمل the printer head is Sierra. It should be one of the Sierra is one of the famous brand worldwide. Everyone who's working in the printing industry, they have good experience with the Sierra. Okay, هذه رأس طبع Sierra سريعة الطباعة، وكل من يشتغل في نفس المجال تكون منتج يعني معروفة أيضا في نفس المجال. أنا آسف، أنا كنت لست متخصصة، لكن قمت بترجمة ولتقديم للموضوع لكم أنتم، فلا تضحكون علي. شكرا. طبعا هناك بعض الماكينات آلات تم تصميم أو تم عملها حسب تصميم احتياجات الزبائن، ونحن لدينا التجاوب. أي مشكلة أي موضوع يمكن تتصل بنا، وأيضا أنتم مرحبين لزيارة المصنع. وعندما تأتي إذا لديكم أي مشكلة في التفاهم بإمكانك تتصل بي عن طريق ويشات، وسأقوم بتقديم الموضوع لأفضل حالة لكم أنتم، ونتمنى زيارتكم واتصالكم. I think it's good. It's finished.